step in there, take the phone, I'll hold the setup button down by itself, and it'll do nothing. Still holding it down. See, we're not seeing any lights. That tells me that the electronics in the device is actually dead. Hold that. Hold that, please. So, I'll wait for the 60-second mark, which will be about 20 more seconds. I mean, we should have already seen lights because there's good battery power in it. And so I think that the power surge might have taken it out. Alright, so that's 60 seconds. Let's do both of these for 60 seconds. Factory reset, I believe is what it is. One of them is a factory reset. I don't know. They asked me to do a couple things. But I get no electrical nothing off the fully charged battery we put in, so I'm pretty sure that it took a hit. Give it 30 more seconds of both these buttons being held down for a total of 60 or so, maybe even an extra 5 just to make sure. Yeah, see, I got nothing. Still nothing. So, I mean, there's no electrical response whatsoever from this device.